What's the meaning of bust up? Bust up. Bust up.
Bust up. Bust up. The term bust up refers to a situation where a relationship or partnership ends due to a disagreement or conflict between the parties involved. This can occur in personal relationships, professional partnerships, or even business mergers. The result of a bust-up is generally a permanent separation of the parties and can have significant consequences for all involved. In personal relationships, it may lead to a breakdown in communication and emotional distress, while in professional situations, it can result in legal action, financial losses, and damage to reputations. Overall, a bust-up can have far-reaching effects and is typically a difficult and distressing experience for those involved.